These decadent swirl chocolate brownies are deliciously dairy-free, gluten-free, and plant-based. Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and spray an 8 by 8 inch pan with non-stick spray. Line the pan with parchment paper and dust with oat flour. In a high-powered blender, combine black beans, agave, sugar, oil, and vanilla. Blend until nice and smooth. Add half a cup of the chocolate chips and pulse to incorporate. Pour into a large bowl. Add the espresso powder, cocoa powder, baking powder, oat flour, and salt. Mix well. Now we'll be making our filling. Combine the sugar and cornstarch in a bowl. In a food processor, place the tofu and Daiya cream cheese style spread. In place of cream cheese, I'm using Daiya's dairy-free plain cream cheese style spread, which is a perfect replacement for any recipe that calls for cream cheese. Add the sugar cornstarch mixture and blend until smooth. Add the lemon zest, lemon juice, and vanilla and pulse to mix. Spread a thin layer of the brownie mix in the bottom of the prepared pan. Place alternating dollops of the brownie mix and the cream cheese mixture on top of the layer of brownie mix and smooth over. Run a toothpick or skewer through the brownie and cream cheese mixture to swirl and sprinkle with the remaining chocolate chips. Bake for approximately an hour to an hour and 15 minutes, allowing the brownies to cool before serving. You will love these super fudgy, creamy, dreamy brownies. Enjoy!